and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a zombie invasion truck from the Mix 1 singles pack. Now this is the last zombie invasion truck I needed from the Mix 1 singles, and it is the Zombie Pirate's Curse. So yeah, let's unbox this guy. Alright, so here it is. Very cool detail on this one. I like the cracked skull face. That's pretty cool. And then it's got an eye. It's got like a freaky eye right there. And then it's got the blood red eye patch. You got blood and goo on the chin right there. Then you got the green dagger and the green sword. So that's very cool. You got a lot of, so it's got like ripped up clothing and everything. It's got blood and slime on the jacket, and then more skull cracks right on the side. It says Pirate's Curse right there, and then you got the Mushroom logo. And on the tailgate, you got more blood and slime, and it says Pirate's Curse. Same stuff again on this side. Graphics are pretty much the same for the bandana, and nothing new for the hat. And then of course it's got a black chassis, a yellow roll cage, and these greenish yellow slime tire treads with black rims. So yeah, that's pretty cool truck. This will make its debut in Sign Up Series 30, so look forward to that. Oh, one minor thing, forgot about the green hook. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed the quick unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.